Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful features in Cloudflare Workers, key value. Key value. Storage. If you're building modern web applications, you know how crucial it is to store and manage data efficiently. That's where KeyV comes in, a fast, secure, and scalable solution for storing small amounts of data that don't require a full-fledged database. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into how to use KV in Cloudflare Workers, covering the benefits, use cases, and step-by-step examples. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage KV to supercharge your application. So what exactly is KV in simple terms? KV is a lightweight NoSQL key value store that allows you to store small amounts of data, such as strings, numbers, or JSON objects. It's designed for storing metadata, configuration data, or any other type of data that doesn't require complex queries or transactions. One of the biggest advantages of using KV in Cloudflare Workers is its incredible performance. Since KV stores are optimized for fast reads and writes, you can expect lightning-fast access to your data, even at high traffic volumes. Now let's talk about use cases. When should you consider using KV? Here are a few examples. Well, storing user preferences or settings, catching frequently accessed data, managing configuration data for your application, implementing simple counters or analytics. To get started with KV in Cloudflare Workers, you'll need to create a KV namespace. Think of a namespace as a container that holds all your key value pairs. You can create multiple namespaces if needed. Once you have your namespace set up, you can start storing and retrieving data using the KV object provided by Cloudflare Workers. The API is straightforward. You can use methods like get, put, and delete to interact with your KV store. Here's an analogy to help illustrate how this works. Think of your KV namespace as a filing cabinet, where each key value pair represents a folder containing specific information. When you want to retrieve data, you simply ask for the contents of that folder, or key, and Cloudflare Workers takes care of the rest. To recap, here are the essential points about using KV in Cloudflare Workers. KV is a fast, secure, and scalable key value store, perfect for storing small amounts of data. Use cases include storing user preferences, catching frequently accessed data, managing configuration data, and implementing simple counters or analytics. Create a KV namespace to hold your key value pairs. Interact with your KV store using the KV object provided by Cloudflare Workers. That's it for today's video on using KV in Cloudflare Workers. We hope this explanation has helped you understand how to harness the power of KV to boost your application's performance and scalability. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the section below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and consider subscribing for more content on Cloudflare Workers and modern web development. As a next step, try experimenting with KV in your own projects. We'd love to hear about your experiences.